Does YouTube really pay small creators? Stay tuned because the answer is a sound yes. And I'm going to prove it to you today. Listen, today we're going to do something I know you've been curious about. How does YouTube pay? I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how much YouTube paid me after 2 months of being monetized. We're talking real numbers. I'm going to show you the back end of YouTube, the dashboard. Yes, YouTube as a dashboard back end. How the payment works, the RPM, the paid ads, and the YouTube revenues. I'm not hiding a thing. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamika Davis-Gooden for your all things creative digital tutorial and now fully monetized YouTube channel. Let's dive in. So let's go back to the day it all happened. This was the moment I got a beautiful email, as you can see here. I'll show it on the screen here. Congratulations, your channel is now monetized. I don't even think I slept the night before. I was close to the numbers. I was just refreshing my dashboard to see when is it going to happen, because I didn't want to miss it. And let me tell you, if you're still in the grind and working towards your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, keep going. It will happen for you. I did it in 1 year. You can do it in 1 month. I did it also while working a full-time job, raising kids. Yes, and I have a 1-year-old baby, no, almost 2, filming at nights and with the little time I have on weekends with no previous experience, no previous followers. So it's possible for you, okay? You better believe it. So what I'm going to show you the monthly earning and show you the good part. So let's talk money. So come over to my screen here while I show you the rest of it. I'm in my YouTube back office, or what you call the YouTube dashboard, and what we're going to do today is to break down the analytics of what's happening here in terms of how the money is made, and we'll just ignore the rest of the analytics for now. So we're going to go to analytics, and once we do that here, we're going to go to the last 90 days. It's less than 90 days, which I got monetized here. And we're going to go to revenue. And once we go to revenue, as you can see, I got monetized. My first day I got 2 cents, and the second day $4 here. And you can track along the days. My ice day was $14.93 per day. But what we're going to look at, we can break it down further into month by month. So in February, it will give me the total here, and I made $102 in February. Yay! And then in March it goes up, and it's by $224 in the month of March. And now we're in April. So April now is ongoing. So now I'm at $52. We can further break that down by videos, per video. So you can see my top content here. My number 1 video is this video here, and the estimated revenue for this video is $353 right there. So you can see that amount there. When it comes on to payment from YouTube, we have what is called the RPM, and the CPM, and the RPM is revenue per 1,000 views, and for this video I have it at $8.17, and the CPM for this video is $36, and CPM is the playback cost per 1,000 views, and that's what YouTube get per video, and this is what I get paid per video. You can further break that down to see what's happening there. Taking a little while to load. Right, so the CPM playback for this video, you can see at one point it was $56. One point it reached to $97. So you can see your CPM for each video. On average now it's at $36.46. So that's the CPM. So you have the details. You can further break it down into videos per videos, so you have an idea of the kind of video as well that you can make that will make you the most money. You have that details to your advantage. So overall, in terms of revenue, currently for the last 90 days, I'm at $379, and I get paid per watch paid ads and per shorts. I don't have a lot of shorts. I don't make a lot of revenue from shorts, but if you're one of those persons who are making revenue from your shorts, which is possible, shorts ad, I'm at just 9 cents, which is fine. You either make content long form or short form videos, and it will show you what you make from each video here. So we go back to the main page again, and here my second top content video. We can further break that down. Revenue from this video is $6.65. So you get paid on YouTube based off the video you make and the kind of ads that is shown in that video. So each person revenue will be different. Your CPM is different for each video. The RPM is also different for each video. So we go now to the Earn tab, and you will see that there are two ways that I earn from YouTube. I've earned from watch paid ads, as I said before, and shorts. And it's also possible that I could earn from shopping, which I haven't added that just yet. Also on YouTube in the studio, I'm going to show you how payments are calculated on YouTube. It says your earnings are finalized between the 7th and the 12th of the month. So on YouTube Studio, it says your payments are calculated and finalized between the 7th and the 12th of the month, and will be posted to your AdSense account to review and make any adjustments. When are payments expected? Is to get paid, you meet the payment minimum, and there is a payment minimum of $100. So earnings are finalized between the 7th and the 12th of the month, and once you're over $100, they will send that amount to your AdSense account, and you can transfer the money now from your AdSense account to your bank account. So YouTube send the money to Google AdSense, and then Google AdSense will deposit the money to your bank account, and that's basically how it works. So there you have it. I've gone through the different payment options of the back end of my YouTube page, where you get first-hand exposure to see what's happening when YouTube will pay. So my hope and my belief is that you believe that YouTube really pays. It says 49% less than the last 28 days, and you have all these at your resources to make an analysis each time. So you can see here as well, April, March, February, you get a different breakdown of the amount you make. Still wondering if YouTube really pays? As you can see, I just showed you. But it's not instant though. It's not always easy. It has to do with consistency and hard work. So if you show up consistently every week, stay authentic, keep learning as you go, you can absolutely get there. I didn't go viral. I didn't have a fancy equipment. I'm still using my cell phone. I just showed up, used what I had, and gave value to my audience, to those who are watching. So that's it for my YouTube monetization, full transparency. If you're grinding to get there, I encourage you again, just keep going. If you're monetized but not earning as much, start to look at the RPM, your niche, and your upload consistency. It's still early in the game for me, so I'm going to still continue to review mine. And if you need help in getting monetized, optimizing your videos, even starting your YouTube channel, I got you. I have videos where you can follow to start your YouTube channel, or you can head over to my website at tamikadavisgooden.com. You can book a free consultation about YouTube, how you go about getting monetized on YouTube. I'm here for you. And remember, if you found value in this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. You don't have to go viral to get paid. You just need to start. I see you in the next video. Bye.